Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to swap these icons here for something else. So if you don't want a flashlight or you don't want a camera icon on your lock screen, then let me show you how to swap this over. So before you begin, you want to first lock your screen, then unlock it and leave it on the lock screen itself. Now long press on your screen, show your face. This will now bring you to the customization menu. Go ahead and tap on customize. Then tap on lock screen. Now here, you'll be able to customize these two buttons here. So currently it's set to flashlight and camera. So first you need to remove it by tapping on the minus icon here. Now to add another icon there, just tap on plus. And now here you have a selection of icons which you can choose. So here I want to go ahead and add a calculator. Now on the other one, I want to go ahead and add an open app. So I want to select an app. So I want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Then tap on done. And then tap on the lock screen itself. So now I have a calculator and I can open up TikTok from my lock screen. So let's test it out. Swipe to unlock, or I'll need the Face ID. And there you go. That is how to swap out the controls at the bottom of your lock screen for other items like timer, calculator, or any other apps. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.